Welcome! In this series of short videos, we will look at topics for the PowerBasic console compiler. Today we will look at an old program that, while it isn't artificial intelligence, it could be considered to be simulated intelligence. We've asked this question before: what is AI? But it's worth repeating that intelligence is a spectrum, ranging from really intelligent at one end to not so intelligent at the other. We humans fit into this spectrum, so it shouldn't be surprising that artificial intelligences will also follow suit. The program I'm about to demo was originally written a long time ago and was called ELIZA. It's a bit of an assumption that all artificial intelligences will be super bright, and this program certainly demonstrates the far end of the spectrum. After running this demo, we'll take a look at the code itself. And here we are, ready to run our executable.
Hi, I'm Eliza. Let's talk. Please type "bye" to end this session. How do you do? Please state your problem.
Okay, the problem. My laptop has stopped
Do
working.
computers worry you? Why do you ask? Are you talking about me in particular? We were discussing you, not me. Are you frightened by machines? Say, do you have any psychological problems? Why do you mention computers? What do you think machines have to do with your problem? Don't you think computers can help people? Did you come to me because you are beginning to doubt it? What is it about machines that worries you? What does that suggest to you? I see. Is there a fault with your computer? How long have you been here? I'm not sure I understand you fully. Do computers worry you? Come, elucidate your thoughts. What troubles you about networks? Does the network go down often? Why do you think so? Can you elaborate on that? Are you talking about me in particular? That is quite interesting. Don't you believe that I can do it? Do you believe it is normal to be starting to doubt it? Are you frightened by machines? Does that question interest you? You are being short with me. You're not really talking about me, are you? What makes you think I am not going to help me? How come I can never understand you fully? Does it please you to believe I am not a good RE system? You seem quite positive. Do you enjoy being off to ambush an engineer at the coffee machine? Perhaps then I can get help. Talk to you later. Goodbye.
Well, as we can see from that interchange of ideas between myself and the artificial system, it wasn't terribly helpful. However, let's have a look at the code to see just how we did all this. The code, as you will see, does go back a long way. There are only 2 include files in the entire application, the standard Windows 32 API include and an API to allow the computer to speak. This will use your default voice on the computer. There are a number of arrays set up to store the responses and the keywords. And in the PB main function, these arrays are redimensioned to allow them to hold up to 400 replies and 300 keywords. We then initialize ELIZA and then go through a loop to process the input. The initializing is picking up a series of data statements, and these data statements are setting up the keywords and the responses that the computer program will actually use. So looking at this, it's not too difficult to extend the system to have more keywords and more possible responses. In the spectrum of artificial intelligence, this program has next to none. It's purely looking for keywords and making a response. Any intelligence that would appear to come out of the application is purely in your own perception. But you can see from the structure of this small, very simple program how a standard question-response can actually be set up to allow a user to type into a computer. It certainly doesn't pass the Turing test, but you could see with a lot of work and a lot more data and responses, the system could get to a point where you're not sure whether you're actually talking to a computer or a person. But I don't think this particular program is going to endanger anybody's job. Hopefully you will find this interesting, but that's it for today. Thank you for watching.